Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my Live Magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the Live Magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. So Sheila has a question. I have had a very difficult time renovating my home to sell it. Everything kept breaking down, and now we're selling it. Is it possible a spirit is blocking it? I am an animist, so I would say this house has its own spirit. So I would suggest that you have a talk with the house. Have a talk with the house. House, I get the sense that the house feels rejected. Is that right? Accurate? I don't know. But that's like, it sounds like a house feeling rejected, right? So the house is mad, doesn't want you to sell it, feels like it's been, swapped and swapped and swapped many times or flipped or whatever. So I would sit down with the house and just have a talk with the house. This is like, I think Marie Kondo does this when she goes in to clean a place. She talks to the spirit of the house. So talk to the spirit of your house. Tell the spirit of the house, I'm trying to get you fixed up. I'm going to be your custodian, and I'm going to be your caretaker, and I'm going to make sure that a good family moves in here. A couple or family or nice people that are going to take good care of you and that are going to appreciate you and love you. That's what I would do. You could also burn a house candle. We have a house candle. If you want to burn a candle over this, to like honor the house and to bless the house. I might get actually a white candle, a white house candle, and dress it with blessings oil to bless your house. You can go with incense or smudges or herb bundles and go with those through the house as well. But be kind to the house. I think you're mad at the house right now because it keeps breaking. And so you're super mad at it. So it keeps breaking. And I would talk to the spirit of the house and say, we need to come, I want to take care of you. Let the house know it's being taken care of and that it's going to go to a good family, a good person is going to live there. And you're going to make sure of that. That's what I'm getting. Spirit of the house. Try that on, see how it works. You can always burn a candle. White house candle would be good for purification, maybe cleansing the house, might be good. If you're going to cleanse the house too, kind of, cleanse and spiritual cleansing, white candle, you could put energetic purification oil or uncrossing oil on it or both. If you want to bless the house, put bountiful blessing oil on that white candle. That would be where I would go. And then talk to the house with love, not anger. I think that would be good too, because it's frustrating you. And maybe it's like being a temperamental child and you need to calm it down and let it feel loved.